Most travel trailers fall apart in under 10 years. Rotting floors, delaminating walls, water damage that sneaks in before you even notice. You spend $25,000 and 5 years later, you've got a money pit on wheels. But here's the thing. 5 trailers exist right now that are genuinely built to last decades. Some of their 1970s models are still on the road today, and none of them will break the bank. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which ones to buy and which ones to avoid. Hey, welcome back. This channel is all about helping you spend smarter when it comes to RVing and the outdoor lifestyle. Today we're covering 5 travel trailers in the $14,000 to $26,000 range, affordable but engineered to outlast everything else in their price class. Let's get into it. Real quick, before the list, you need to understand why most budget trailers fail. Because once you get this, everything else clicks. The number one killer is water damage. Not from rain hitting the outside, from the construction method itself. Most mass-market trailers are stick-built, a wood frame sandwiched between thin panels, and wood rots. When those panel seams crack, and they always do, water gets in, and it's over. The trailers that last are built more like boats than houses. Solid fiberglass shells, aluminum frames, no wood where it counts. Keep that in mind as we go through the list. Number 1. The Scamp 13-footer. This fiberglass egg has been made in Minnesota since 1971. Models from the early 1970s are still being used today, not restored, not rebuilt, just driven. That's over 50 years of road life on the original shell. Why so durable? The entire body is molded fiberglass. One piece on top, one on the bottom, joined down the middle. No wood framing on the exterior, no seams for water to attack. It's basically like towing a giant surfboard. It just does not care about weather. nuCamp starts around $14,000, and used 1990s models still hold their value. That tells you everything. Buying tip: on a used Scamp, check the belt line seam where the two halves meet. That's the one spot that can crack over decades. Everything else? Rock solid. Quick pause. If this is saving you from a bad purchase, go ahead and hit like. It genuinely helps. Back to the list. Number 2. The Casita Spirit. Casita shares the same DNA as the Scamp. Both trace back to the original Canadian bowler mold from the 1960s. But Casita went further with a heavy-duty steel frame underneath the fiberglass shell. That combo is what makes these things practically indestructible. One owner had a 30-year-old Casita that had never leaked once. In 30 years. In the RV world, that's basically a miracle. New Casita starts around $25,000, but solid used models from the 2000s go for $10,000 to $15,000, and they'll outlast any brand new stick-built trailer. Buying tip: new Casitas have a 12 to 18-month wait. If you need one now, the used market is your best friend, and the resale value holds so well you won't lose much if you sell later. Number 3. The Forest River Cherokee Wolf Pup. This one plays in a different league than the fiberglass eggs, but for $15,000 to $18,000 new, it's hard to beat. It's self-contained, light enough to tow with most SUVs, and comes solar-ready from the factory. Forest River is one of the biggest names in RVs, and the Wolf Pup is their entry-level workhorse done right. With proper seam maintenance every season, owners regularly get 15 to 20 solid years out of these. Buying tip: stick with the no-slide floor plans. Slides are one of the most common failure points on any trailer. No slides equals less to break equals longer lifespan. Number 4. The Lance 1475. This one's a hidden gem. Lance builds their trailers with an all-aluminum frame, zero wood. Their walls use high-density block foam insulation, not the cheap stuff. The result is a trailer that's genuinely resistant to rot, mold, and delamination, the 3 things that kill most trailers within a decade. The 1475 is a 14-foot single-axle unit starting around $22,000. Easy to maneuver, easy to store, light enough for a half-ton truck. Buying tip: Lance isn't sold at big-box RV dealers. Find a dedicated Lance dealer. They actually know the product, and the service experience is night and day compared to the big chains. And number 5, the nuCamp Tab 400, built in Sugar Creek, Ohio, Amish country. with the kind of craftsmanship you rarely see in this price range. The Tab 400 is a fiberglass teardrop built more like a boat than an RV. One-piece fiberglass roof, no seams on top, no leaks on top. Period. Starting at $26,000, it's the top of our range today, but you get a trailer the community consistently calls one of the best-built units under $30,000. Buying tip: the Tab 400 fits in a standard garage. That alone extends its lifespan dramatically. UV damage and freeze-thaw cycles are what age trailers fastest. Keep it covered, and this thing will genuinely outlast you. All right, here's the short version. Want something that lasts decades and you can live with a smaller footprint? Go fiberglass, Scamp, or Casita. The used market is incredible. Need more space on a tighter budget? Wolf Pup. Just commit to the maintenance. Want the best quality to money ratio? Lance or nuCamp. Worth every extra dollar, and whatever trailer you buy, seal every seam before every camping season. That one habit is what separates owners who get 20 years out of a trailer from owners who get 5. Drop your current or dream trailer in the comments. I read every one. If you want a full Scamp versus Casita deep dive, that video is right up here. Subscribe for a new video every week. See you in the next one.